So today we are going to see how to download Python on computer. So for that you have to go in browser. Here I am using Google. Then you have to type https semicolon means colon then python dot org, and then you have to click enter. Then you have to click this, and when you will click this you have to click on downloads. Then after clicking on downloads you have to click windows. When you will click on windows, you can either download any of these versions, or if you want to simply download Python, you can download from here. Download for Windows, and see, my downloading has started. It will take few time. Once it will done, the screen will appear like so. Here Python is downloaded, just 3 seconds remaining, and here we go. So now we have to click on Python. I have already downloaded it because that's why it is coming like it will automatically come in the first screen, and next, and then you can code for Python, and in this way we can download Python in computer. Bye. Be sure